The first thing we're going to do is model these number 21s. Okay, so in case you guys are new to reading building plans, these tags right here tell you what type of window that is, right? So if it's a standard window and it just repeats throughout the project, you basically have a list of like type 1, type 2, type 3, so on and so forth. So this one is type 21. I just need to find the window elevation sheet that references that. So, which I don't really seem to see.
The first one doesn't have like schedule.
So here's our window schedule, guys. And type 21 is right here, fixed with an awning. So it's 7 feet wide, 2 feet high. That seems funny.
Oh, yeah, it's restroom.
Yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah. So it's just one of these. It's one of these fixed right here. So we can use the fixed family, guys. So we can use the fixed family, and we just need to modify it so that it fits that 7 feet by 2 feet. I did notice that there are 2 of them there, but it doesn't show that here in plan. So that's combo. That's funny. B2500. Head height 8 feet. That's weird. Let's see. Operable width 3 feet. So I guess that's saying that it's split into I think it's this one. I thought it was that one. Let's go back. Yeah, it was that one. Okay, so it was. It has an operable one. So we're going to go with operable 3 feet over 7 feet overall. Yes?
I double-clicked on the window and it brought me into a page to show the whole window.
Ah, okay. I'll show you what to do with that. So, so guys, if you're... What?
Under the window, they say combo 1A with fixed.
Okay.
And 21 is with width.
Okay, hang on. All right, guys. So we're going to have, the way I'm going to set this up is it's going to have 2 individual windows rather than creating separate windows. It's just easier to model that way. So we need 2 of them. One of them is going to be 3 feet. One of them is going to be 4 feet. So what Patrick just ran into is he double-clicked on his window, and it brought him into this view. This is the family editor view. We will be doing some editing. I'll show you that in a separate video, but I just wanted you to, if you open that, you can just go back into Windowed and close that and hit no, so it doesn't save over the original family. Okay, so what I want you guys to do is, per the plan that you see here, I want you to put a 3-foot window and then a 4-foot window right next to each other. I do not want you to worry about these lines. I'm going to show you later how to add those lines in. Okay, so
Just a regular fixed one.
yeah, just a regular fixed window.
It's not closing.
We know
I'll come take a look with you. You might have a command active. So real quick, you've already got a 48-inch window, but remember it needs to be. We had a head height. Let me just go back to that schedule. 21. So it was 7 feet wide overall, 2 feet tall. The head height was 8 feet, so it's going to be 6 feet from the base, and it's going to be 2 feet tall. So that's what we set in here. So we change our sill height. We're going to change to 6 feet, and we need to change the height of the window to be 2 feet. So we actually need to create a new type. So we duplicate this type, and we leave it at 48 inches by 24 inches. All right, now it's going to disappear, and but guys, I want you to. I know some of you are getting a little behind, but I want to make sure that I finish my thought, and then I'll get everybody caught up. But if you set a window that's going to be higher, well, I think I'll just do that in a different video, a separate video. So, all right, so let me stop it here, and I'll show you the plan region thing in just a second.